Good morning. So we have this job here. This is an Asus. Owner lost the charger, but they don't know what the issue is. UX31E. I have no idea what the issue is. We're doing a surface repair at the same time, and it looks like charger battery cut off. Far out. Okay, 1 second. Alright, sorry, I've got the surface on the other side, which is still not working. But okay, so power on. Nothing on the screen. No power. We'll get the charger for it, so we're going to use a universal one here. Here we go. Plugged in. We got a green light. Should be orange when it's charging. Power light is already on. Okay. Okay. Resuming Windows. Okay. Okay. So what's the issue with this guy? Let's have a look at Event Manager, see if we see anything on it, anything unusual. Okay. Let's have a look at Device Manager, Event Viewer, and see what it says. Oh, I see. This is actually a hard disk controller error, hence the issues they're having. So here we can see, yeah, okay. So hard disk is giving them problem. So let's see what's type of hard drive and what we can do for them. So, oh sheesh. No free space. I think this is the one which uses a weird SSD. Yeah, U100 128 gig SSD. I think I remember this guy. U100 128 gig SSD. U100. U100. What are you? U100. I think this is one of those proprietary. U100 SanDisk 28 gig. Let me look at it at a more hardware level. Device Manager. Kind of shit, not much information there. Okay. Okay, let me have a look what kind of SSD this one uses. We'll do a shutdown. Okay. It's not a touch. Keep thinking it's a touch. Okay. Okay, it's fully turned off. So I'm going to give a quotation for this job, and I don't know what to give them a quotation of yet. I will figure it out. So we need the Torx type. Yep, sweet. One screw missing. That's interesting. Looks like a MacBook SSD. Shit, I know this one. This is one of those proprietary ones I said. And I don't like it. Connected and 0.07 amps. The battery is not charging either. So if you look at the battery voltage, DC 0.07 ain't gonna charge at all. Double check DC mode. As you can see, battery is not being charged. Let me move that plug around. Normally you should get a orange light when the battery is being charged, but this battery also had it too. Okay, so we'll only work off DC 7.4 plus. Maybe battery is full, I doubt it. I turn it on and just go to delete BIOS and I pull it out, it turns off. Yeah. So multiple issues, so give them the option what they want to do. Most likely not a repair, as I don't carry this SSD. Neither do you want to, as there is no profit to be made of this family anymore. Windows not genuine. So this user has gone through weird ways to get Windows installed for no reason. This one have a license embedded. Let me see if I've got this charger in time being as well. Not much free space on the C drive, only 336 kilobytes. That's crazy. Okay. And the battery shows 0% plugged in and charging, which it really is not. Okay. I'll check this charger as well. So we need the round plugs. So technically 13, about 14 gigabyte can be freed. Okay. I wonder why number 1 and number 6 are darker circle. Waiting for it to shut down. Power off. Connect this guy. Yeah, so this charger will do for them. But I don't think it will charge either. Take a photo of that. Yeah, same. Only 0%. Okay, anyway, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.